Welcome to St. Cloud State University. My name is Shahzad Ahmad. I'm the Associate Vice President for Center for International Studies. Today I'm coming to you live from our medical clinic where we're going to be talking with Dr. Brent Nielsen, who's going to give you some tips as you plan your travel to join us at St. Cloud State University this fall. We're so excited that Dr. Nielsen is part of our family, part of our community, and he has been providing a lot of support during this pandemic to international students, not only at St. Cloud State, but all over the world in that respect. So, Dr. Nielsen, a few of the questions that we have about preparing international students as they are thinking about coming to St. Cloud State, what can you share with them today, the best way that they can plan to arrive, and about quarantine and some of the other precautions that they may have to take?
Yeah, so thanks for joining us today. We're excited to have you come to St. Cloud State. So it's important to know that international travelers will need to quarantine when they get to the U.S. Since international student orientation begins August 17th, that means that you'll have to be here by August 10th at the latest, because the guidelines are you'll have to quarantine for 7 to 10 days. What we plan to do at St. Cloud State is the St. Cloud State Medical Clinic will test you for COVID 3 to 5 days after arriving. With that, it will allow us to reduce the quarantine to 7 days. And for those who test positive during that time, we'll help students isolate, which will be a 10-day isolation. So that's our plan for arrival.
So that's about the quarantine and about arrival, but what about the mask? I mean, are the masks going to be required? And then I know we're going to be talking a little bit more about vaccine and availability and how our international students can take advantage of it.
Yes, so for fall, we definitely expect masks will be required. So pretty much in all of our classroom settings, there will be 3-foot distancing and masking required. And also, all indoor spaces on the SCSU campus will have required masking for fall.
We really hope that international students are going to be able to join us in person. Many classes are going to be in face-to-face this fall. There will be some online courses, but if you are here, you will be participating in a lot of face-to-face courses, along with some of the online options that are available to you for this fall. So we will be sharing more information about your class registration, about some of the next step in the other international orientation sessions that we'll be offering to you online as you prepare to join us in person. But vaccine is something. We're very fortunate in the US that we have been able to have a good supply of vaccine, the availability, and that goes for our international students as well. So my question to Dr. Nielsen is going to be, what advice Dr. Nielsen can give to our international students who will be joining us that may or may not have had vaccine yet. And if you have not had the vaccine yet, good news is with the clinic, they have some resources available and will be able to help you. So let's listen to Dr. Nielsen.
Right, so on campus, the St. Cloud State Medical Clinic that sees all SCSU students in Eastman Hall, we will have testing options for COVID. So whenever a student has exposure or maybe they have to travel, we're able to test them. And with vaccine, as Shahzad said, in our community, we've had good access to vaccine. And so if you are an international student coming to St. Cloud State for the fall and you haven't had the opportunity to get vaccinated, we're going to be able to help you get vaccinated in our community. So it's usually going to be, 2 shots, 21 to 28 days apart. And we will either have clinics ourselves or help connect students to clinics to get vaccinated.
Well, Dr. Nielsen, thank you. That really is a good news. And we know we are so fortunate to have a great clinic with Dr. Nielsen and his team. You are in good hands. Pandemic has really created a lot of hesitation about healthcare, what's available, where is available. But I want to tell you that as international students at St. Cloud State, you have one of the best medical facility available, but more importantly, one of the best medical team that will be assisting you as your needs are when you join us. But more importantly, if you have not gotten the vaccine, when you join us this fall at St. Cloud State, we'll help you to get vaccinated. That's our priority to you. Hopefully, see you soon at St. Cloud State.